Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Now, today we discuss about ERP. Okay, Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) is the manage, integrated management of many business process, often in real time and mediated by software and technologies. ERP is usually referred to as a category of business management software, typically a suite of integrated applications that one organization can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from many business activities. ERP provides an integrated and continuously updated view of core business process using common database maintained by a database management system. ERP system track business resource, cash, raw material, production, capacity, and the status of business commitment, order, purchase, order, and payroll. The application that make up the system share data across various departments manufacturing, purchasing, sale, account, etc. that provide the data. ERP facilitates information flow between all business functions and managers connect to outside stakeholders. Enterprise system software is a multi-billion dollar industry that produce components supporting a variety of business functions. IT investment have, as of 2011, become one of the largest categories of capital expenditure in United States based businesses. Through early ERP system focused on large enterprise, smaller enterprise increasingly use ERP system. The ERP system integrated varied organizational system and facilitate error-free transaction and production, thereby enhance the organization efficiency. However, developing a ERP system differs from traditional system development. ERP systems run on a variety of computer, hardware, and network configuration, typically using a database as an information repository origins. The Gartner Group first used the acronym ERP in the 1990 to include the capability of material requirement planning MRP and the later manufacturing resource planning MRP2 as well as computer integrated manufacturing. Without placing this term, ERP come to represent a large whole that reflected the evolution of application integration beyond manufacturing. Not all ERP packages are developed from a manufacturing goal. ERP vendor varies begin assembly their package with finance and accounting, maintenance, and human resource component. By the mid 1990, ERP system addressed all core enterprise functions, government and non-profit organization as began to use ERP system. Expansion ERP system expressed rapid growth in 1990s because of the year 2000. Problem many companies took the opportunity to replace their old system with ERP. ERP system initially focused on automating back office functions that did not directly affect customers and the public. Front office functions such as customer relationship management (CRM) deal directly with customer, or e-business systems such as e-commerce, e-government, e-telecom, and e-finance, or supplier relationship management (SRM) become integrated later. When the internet simplified communicating with internal parties. Characteristic: ERP system typically include the following characteristic: an integrated system operates in or near real time, a common database that support all the applications, a consistent look and feel across model. Installation of the system with elaborate application data integration by the information technology IT department. Provide the implementation is not done in small step. Deployment options include on premises, cloud hosted, or SaaS. Characteristic: ERP system typically include the following characteristic: an integrated system operates in or near real time, a common database that support all the applications, a consistent look and feel across models, installation of the system with elaborate application, data integration by the information technology IT department. Provide the implementation is not done in small steps. Deployment options include on-premises, cloud-hosted, or SaaS. Functional area. An ERP system covers the following common functional areas. In many ERP systems, these are called and grouped together as ERP module. Financial accounting, general ledger, fixed assets, payable including vouchering, matching and payment, receivable and collection, cash management, financial consolidation, management, accounting, budgeting, costing, cost management, activity, based costing, human, human resource, recruiting, training, rostering, payroll benefit, retirement and pension plan, diversity, management, retirement, separation, manufacturing, engineering, bill of materials, work, order, scheduling, capacity, workflow, management, quality. Manufacturing process, manufacturing projects, manufacturing flow, product life cycle management, order processing, order to cash, order entry, credit checking, pricing, avail to promise, inventory, shipping, sale, analysis and reporting, sales commission, sales chain management, supply chain planning, supplier, scheduling, product configuration, order to cash, purchasing, inventory, claim processing, warehousing, receiving, put away, picking and packing. Project management. Project management planning, resource planning, project costing, work breakdown, structure, billing time and expense, performance units, activity management, customer relationship management, CRM, sales and marketing, commission, service, customer contact, call center support, CRM custom systems are not always considered part of ERP system, but rather business support system BSS. Data service, various self-service interface for customers, suppliers, and or employees, management of school and educational institutes. Yeah. ERP scope usually implies significant change to staff work process and practices. Generally, three types of services are available to help implement such changes: consulting, customization, and support. Implementation time depend on business size, number of model customization, the scope of process changes, and the readiness of the customer to take ownership of the project. Modular project system can be implemented in stage. The typical project of large enterprise takes about 14 months and require around 150 consultant. 150 consultant. A small project can be required months. Multinational and other large implementation can take year. Customization can substantially increase implementation time. Beside that, information processing influences various business function. For example, some large corporation takes Walmart use a just-in-time inventory system. These reduce inventory storage and increase delivery efficiency and required up-to-date data. Before 2014, Walmart used a system called Inform developed by IBM to manage replenishment. Implementation ERP typically requires change in existing business process. Poor understanding of needed process changes prior to starting implementation is a main reason for project failure. The difficulties could be related to the system, business process, infrastructure, training, or lack of motivation. It is therefore crucial that organizations thoroughly analyze business process before they implement. ERP software analysis can identify opportunities for process modernization. It also enables as assessment of the alignment of current process with those provided by the ERP system. Research indicates that risk of business process mismatch is decreased by linking current process to organization strategy, analyzing the effectiveness of each process, understanding existing automated solution. ERP implementation is considerably more difficult and political charged in decentralized organization because they often have different process, businesses, rules, data semantics, authorization, hierarchies, and decision centers. These may require migrating some business unit before others. delaying implementation to work through the necessary change of each unit, possible reducing integration. For example, linking via master data management or customization the system to meet specific needs. A potential disadvantage is that adopting a standard process can I lead to a loss of competitive advantage. While this has happened, losses in one area are often offset by gain in other areas, increasing overall competitive advantage. The two-tier ERP software and hardware lets companies run the equivalent of two ERP systems at once, one at the corporate level and one at the division or subsidiary level. For example, a manufacturing company could see use an ERP system to manage across the organization using adaptant global or regional distribution, production or sale center, and service provider to support the main company customer. Each independent center or subsidiary may have its own business model, workflow, and business process. Given all the realities of globalization, enterprise continuously evaluate how to optimize their regional divisional and product or manufacturing strategies to support strategic goals and reduce time to market while increasing profitability and delivering value with two-tier ERP. The regional distribution, production or sales center and services providers continue operating under their own business model, separate from the main company, using their own ERP system. Hence, these smaller companies' processes and workflow are not tied to main company process and workflow. They can respond to local business required in multiple locations. Factors that affect enterprise adoption of two-tier ERP system include manufacturer globalization to economics of sourcing is merging economic potential for quicker, less costly ERP implementation at subsidiary used on selecting software more suited to smaller company. Extra effort often involving the use of enterprise application integration, is required where data must pass between two ERP systems. Two-tier ERP strategy give enterprise agility in responding to market demands and in aligning IT system at a corporate level, while inevitable resulting in more system as compared to one ERP system used through the organization. Okay, then implementation ERP typically requires change in existing business processes. Pure understanding of needed process changes prior to started implementation is the main reason for project failure. The difficulties could be related to the system, businesses process, infrastructure, training, or lack of motivation. It is therefore crucial that organizations throughout analyze business process before they implement it. ERP software analysis can identify opportunity for process modernization. It also enables as assignment of the alignment of current process of those provided by the ERP system. Research indicates that the risk of business process mismatch is decreased by linking current process to organization strategies. Analyzing the effectiveness of each process, understanding existing automated solutions, interconnect the process of organization strategies. ERP implementation is considered more difficult and politically charged in decentralized organizations because they often have different process, business, rules, data, semantics, authorization, hierarchy, and decision centers. These may require migrating some business unit before other, delaying implementation to work through the necessary changes for each unit, possibly reducing integration, linking via master data management, or customizing the system to meet a specific need. Potential disadvantage that adopting standard process can lead to a lost competitive advantage. While this has happened, losses in one area are often offset again in other areas, increasing overall competitive advantage. GRP, Government Resource Planning. GRP is the equivalent of an ERP of the public sector and an integrated office automation system of government bodies. The software structure, modularization, core algorithms, and main interface do not differ from other ERP and ERP software suppliers managed to adopt their system to government agencies. Both system implementation is private and public organizations are adopted to improve productivity and overall business performance in organizations. But comparison private versus public of implementation show that the main factor influence ERP implementing success in the public sector are cultural. Most ERP systems incorporate best practices. This means the software reflects the vendor's interpretation of the most effective way to perform. Each business process system vary in how conveniently the customer can modify these practices. In addition, best practice reduce by 91 compared to other software implementation. Use of best practices, easy compliance with requirements such as IFRS, Sarbanes-Oxley, or Basel II. They can also help complete with de facto industry standards such as electronic fund transfer. This is because the procedure can be readily codified. Connectivity to plant floor information. ERP system connect to real-time data and transaction data in a variety of ways. These systems are typically configured by system integration who bring unique knowledge on process, equipment and vendor solution. Direct integration. ERP system have connectivity communication to plant floor equipment. As part of their product offering, this required that the vendor offer a specific support for the plant floor equipment. Their customers operate database integration. ERP system connect to plant floor data source through staging table in a database. planned for system deposit and necessary information into the database. The ERP system read the information in the table. The benefit of stage is that ERP vendor do not need to master the complexity of equivalent integration. Connectivity will become the responsibility of the system integration. Thank you.